Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can fix a problem when there's no games in Google Play Store on Nokia G42. And to do this, we'll need to launch our Google Play Store. Here, if we try to find anything like Call of Duty, there's an icon for that game, but when we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on the profile picture, go to the settings, enter family. Here's parental controls. Now you can either disable parental controls entirely with a switch, or go for the apps and games, insert a PIN code, and here increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if we try to find Call of Duty again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.